Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another little multi-tool video for you. And today I thought we checked out this Bee-Berry little tiny multi-tool. This is a 10-in-1 multi-tool. And I just happened across this on Amazon. I was looking for a bigger multi-tool that was really cheap but decent quality and that I could put in, backpack, my Maxpedition beefy pouch that I take with me all the time, or just leave in my truck, not worry about it. It's cheap enough that I don't care if it stays there forever and never gets used. And I didn't want to spend, $99 on a Leatherman Wave to do something like that with it. But yeah, kind of came across this. It looked kind of interesting. So it was $13.99. It was listed at $13.99 with a 50% coupon. So I got it for like $6.99. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna buy it, check it out. But it's more or less has disappeared off Amazon. I can't find it again. If I can find it, I'll put a link down in the description. But as far as I can tell, it's gone. I don't know if you could go to Bee-Berry, their website, and get it. Bee-Berry, as far as I know, is a UK company, but these are made in China. It says made in China right there. So yeah, let's check this thing out real quick. It looked interesting. So and this kind of cracks me up. Bee-Berry funny EDC tools. EDC fun, smart, free. Well, it was almost free. It's $6.99. On the back, there's a diagram of it. Then you read the functions. It's got scissors, can opener, bottle opener, small flathead screwdriver, all combined. Stand / rope cutter, nail file, Phillips screwdriver blade, SIM card ejector, and key ring. So looks like it's all made out of 3CR13. That's not very, great steel. Length is 3 inches, width is 3/4 of an inch, and it weighs 82 grams, so it's a little less than 3 ounces. But yeah, I've had this and the other one for a few days. I've been dying to kind of get into them, but I'm not going to mess with that. Knife I'm carrying today, the Finch Cimarron. I like carrying this knife. If you don't know, I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I have a Finch Cimarron, different colors, for the giveaway. They actually sent it to me for the giveaway. So there we go. Check it out. Kind of cool looking. It's in this little foam thing. Keep that available in case I don't understand some. Well, here's a lanyard. The little lanyard loop. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a little boxy thing. It's not very big. Got locks. The tools do lock. So let's check out, see what this one is. Oh, this is the hook cutter, yeah, rope hook. This must be this. You know what that is? I know what that is, and I can't demonstrate it. Let me, hold on a minute. Okay, I just may be smarter than I look. It said stand / rope cutter. I didn't know what that meant, but I think it's a phone stand. I don't know. It works. Maybe that's what it is. It's not going to be level, but it's close. I don't know. If I carry this tool, that's what I'm going to use it for. I don't know if that's what they intended, but it seems to work. Makes sense to me. So these do lock. There's quite a bit of play. Pull these back, push that down. Let's check out the next one. Next one, screwdriver, can bottle opener. You got a little wire bender notch. Oh, down here is the bottle opener. Little wire bender notch bottle opener. The can opener isn't really sharp, but there's a pretty decent point right there, so that just might work. Got a fly flying around still. Sorry, I had to pause the video, take care of that fly. It's driving me nuts. But here you have a little Phillips head screwdriver. You got a file there, and we'll see how they work. Basically, they look like lines cut into the metal. Let's close that up. Open this. Got a pair of scissors. Spring loaded. Well, they don't. You can tell they're coming together. They might actually work, but we'll check that out. Let's check the little knife blade out. It's got a little bit of an edge. Check out the tip. It's kind of tanto blade, but the tip is got no edge. I don't really understand that. But let's check the blade out. I got any piece of paper. See if it cuts paper. Well, yeah, actually it does. Not bad. Not too bad at all. And I usually have my air conditioner running out here, and this was right underneath it, so it's a little damp. But yeah, actually the blade cuts. I don't know why the tip is blunt, but yeah, let's see with a blade cut piece of well, yeah. Well, I'm actually a little bit surprised over that the blade is sharp. Let's try this jute twine. Yeah, no problem with that. How about cut a little piece of cardboard? Yeah, not too bad. Now it's only 3CR13, MOV. It's not going to stay sharp long. Be easy to keep sharp. Just drop it. If you really dull it, roll the edge, it'll be easy to sharpen. I think my Kershaw hot wire, the little $10, $12 Walmart special, is 3CR, and for a little tiny assisted knife with junk steel, I really like that little knife. I should have brought it out. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed. I don't understand the tip. Maybe I don't know. But yeah, knife works. Let's try the scissors on a few things. These actually don't seem bad. We'll cut paper. Well, yeah, not too bad. We'll cut the jute twine. Not really. Got them stuck. Let's try the tips. Yeah, if you use the tips of them, cuts good. If you go back by the joint, yeah, well, it cut it. Not bad. Paracord, try it with a loose end. Hey, Let me hold it. Wow. Cool. I'm kind of really surprised. A zip tie. And that fly. I got another fly. Yeah, wow. So, 2 tools are not too bad. Little Phillips head screwdriver. I got a little screw right here. It's been used. Oh, that works. Let's try this bigger screw. So you got a decent little screwdriver. The file, let's do this side. See if the file's wood at all. Yeah, kind of, sort of. Try the other side. Yeah, this side actually works better. The cross hatch one. Got a white painted paneling nail. Let's see if at least scrape the paint off. Yeah. Well, kind of neat. I didn't expect that the way it's cut to do anything. Not really there, but shines it up. If anything, you got a nail file. That's better than I thought it was gonna be. I don't have bottle. I can't test the bottle opener, can opener. The little flathead screwdriver. Let's see. Fits in that Phillips head. Putting some pressure on it. These are not, really tight. I don't know how long 3CR would last on a little flat screwdriver head, but you don't use it every single day, it probably gets you out of a jam. Little wire bender thing. This, I don't know what this wire is, but it's like solid aluminum. It bends. That's cool. Rope cutter. Let's see. Try the jute twine. Yeah. Knife works better. Try the paracord. Can't hang on to it. Yeah. It's not cutting that. How about this? This is a piece of ratchet strap tie down. See if, yeah, cut that. Took a lot, but it cut it. Cool. And then what I'm calling the phone stand. I don't know. I think that's what it is. I like it. I like it for that. This thing, like, it's not very big. Do some size comparisons, maybe. Let's put up against some big things. Leatherman Wave Plus. Gerber MP 600. Definitely way smaller than them. Obviously, you don't have pliers, will it? Leatherman Rev. How about one of my favorite little multi-tools they don't make anymore is a Gerber Clutch. Now, this has a pretty decent set of pliers, will it? But you can see this is pretty thick compared to some of these little mini tools. About twice the thickness, a little bit longer. Yeah, that's still, I like this one. How about the Gerber dime? It's a little bigger than the dime. And then again, you get pliers on the dime. Pretty decent little multi-tool. How about Leatherman Micra? Now this comes with a big pair of scissors. And this is really thin, but a little bit longer than some. You can see that. And how about one I carry all the time, or a lot of the time, is this Leatherman Squirt PS4. Again, you can see PS4 is about the same height, definitely thinner. This is almost square. Obviously, the Squirt has a nice little set of pliers on them also. But yeah, that's that. What do I think of this? Well, at the regular price, it was listed at $13.99. Man, I don't think it's too bad of a deal. If you don't need pliers and you just want a knife, scissors, a couple little screwdrivers, you know, emergency like rope cutter and a phone stand, they all do lock. The knife actually cuts paper. Yeah, 14 bucks. That's probably worth it. What I paid for it, $6.99. I'm happy with it. For 7 bucks. Oh, I forgot one thing. It does have this little fella for a SIM card tool. Where's the SIM card on this? Up here. See if that works. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I almost forgot about that. You got your lanyard hole, but you got a little SIM card tool. If you change out your SD cards in your phone a lot, that's pretty handy to have. Yeah, I almost forgot about that. That's actually kind of cool. So yeah, definitely for 7 bucks, I think this thing's pretty cool. Some play with a knife. There's quite a bit of play with that hook, which actually cut. These things are actually way better than I thought they would be. Will it cut through this? Yeah, if you use the tips, oh, if you push that way, if you push that way a little bit, keep the tips together, it cuts a lot better. There's a little bit of play in there. That's cool. Yeah, you could get your way through a little piece of cardboard. Again, it works better at the tips, and if you put a little bit of pressure this way, they work better. But yeah, scissors ain't too bad. Yeah, like I said, everything's locking. That's good. This thing weighs a little less than 3 ounces, they say. Yeah, 2.95. You know, for a $15 or $14 tool, regular price, it's kind of neat. And I kind of like the fact that it does have a SIM card tool. That's pretty handy. But yeah, like I said though, it seems to have disappeared right now off Amazon. And if I find it again, I'll link it on this video. But yeah, the Beeberry Funny EDC tools, the fun, smart, free multi-tool, that just all cracks me up. But yeah, that's pretty neat. So things on this were kind of surprising, and got more hope for the bigger one. But yeah, I guess that's it. If you like these videos, you want me to find more budget, inexpensive multi-tools that could fill a need, to go in a go bag or in the vehicle and just leave in there, let me know. Like the video, leave a comment below. By no means are these things gonna take the place of that or even that. Definitely not. This ain't gonna take the place of these. These are the Gerbers and Leatherman. These are pretty good tools. Well, this one's not too bad. I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. But yeah, like always, like I just said, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I guess till next video, bye.